let's go to the next part in Chapter 6. In Part 2, we start to introduce the conditional the variable using this Boolean. So you can have this if. And now we have introduced some more things about those conditional creation. It's like in some other language, like similarly like the switch. So you can put this more than one, because the Boolean value you can only use yes or no or true false to select the two possible options. But if here, if we want body version have more than two, how we can do that, or even more. So that is we are trying to introduce this similar syntax, but you are using this checking the part to do this. So let's do our first part is car with long body version. So let's save a new file. This is the part 3 first. Car with long body version. So let's start to customize from the existing part. So we should have the conditional assignment for those. Conditional for body. So body creation is no change. Then we should have this one. So let's on this part we will delete is we define the body version equal to, yeah, you can see long, short, rectangle, and is n. So we have those the different part. So choice of normal. So let's have this one. So first we choose this, and we give our comments. So L is long, S is short, R is rectangle, N is normal. So what we are giving is we should have this body baselines here. Let's copy those. So we have this copied here. So now look at the syntax. Baselines equal. Then equal we have followed with 3, similar like this Boolean we learned from the previous. We have this parenthesis. And then this we have question mark, but after question mark only one value, because here is not just the parenthesis with the one variable. Is we are checking which value is equal to. So this is the not assignment, is the comparison. So if is L, then is we'll choose 80. If it's the S, choose 60. If it's R, choose 65. Otherwise, it will choose N. So you don't need to have N visible here, because that is in the else. So it's similar like it's if, else if, else if, else. So that is 3 lines. And then we have this base top, top shift, top offside, all set here. And then we see this is the creation of body. It's 3 perimeter, so it's still same. And the creation of wheel axle, so large wheel is fail. Then it will choose this 10 and 8, and we have 30 track, 40 wheelbase. So that is the same. Then after that is we create 4 wheel and 1 front axle, one rear axle. So let's run this. So we got these similar things. So let's done this. Now we can start to change. So if we want a smaller car, so you got this. If I want this rectangle car, you get this. If I want normal car, you get this. So that which you can play on those different choices. So it is the first the code we are doing, and then is we are starting to do some exercise. We will add the wheel version. So now we have the body version. So car with let's save is the second one. Now we have a car with the body. Let's see, body version and wheel version as well. So even you put this file name as long, but here is if you change the perimeter, you can get the different shape. So that is no problem. So let's use the short. So we got this one, and you see here is the comments we already have, and now we gave a wheel. So wheel version then is impact on this wheel radius. So let's do the conditional. So we put here. Conditional assignment of wheel variables. So we see we create one condition is wheel version is add. And also we give comments. So whenever you go chance, is write down the documentation. So S for small, M for medium. Because if you don't have documentation, very soon you will forget about what this meaning. So now we have this version. So we have the wheel radius. So we can comment this to now, because we want to have those defined here. Wheel radius. So with equal sign, then we have to check wheels version. If that is long, is L. If it's long, then we give a radius with this 10, then with a colon. If it's medium, we give that 8, otherwise it will be small, so that's a 6. So just ensure this is the colon, not this semicolon. So now we copy this is the wheel width. And if it's the long width is 8, then this is 6, this is 4. Then now we choose medium. So you can see here, if I want to choose long, it's big. And here, if I put this to the rectangle, you get these similar things. So don't care about this positioning. So that's due to those original paragraph, the coding. The matter here is you can control through this conditional version value. Let's make that small. As you can see here, and if I put this to normal, you got a normal car with a small wheel. So that is the the thing is we are putting this here. So after this video, we will have more discussion. Next video may be a little longer to have this if the statement. With this if statement, now you may have a better control on your program with condition. So thank you for watching till now. See you next video.